do it again.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally copped some new dunks to add to the collection. We got this Michigan Wolverine dunk lows because we actually missed out on the high versions that released last year. So we wanted to add this one because we actually like the dunk lows better than the high.
And make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video because we're going to show you guys how we style this specific Michigan Wolverine dunks on feet with multiple outfits. So stay tuned.
Now this particular dunks has been pushed back so many times. It was supposed to release in April, May, now it's supposedly releasing in June. I don't know why they pushed it back so many times. We got tired of the wait and we decided to cop it to give you guys an early look. And it was actually surprisingly very cheap, so we just had to cop it.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the May releases, but a lot of them are getting pushed back into June, which kind of sucks, but it's gonna be perfect for the dunks because regardless of when they drop, it's still gonna sell out, and it's a dope summer type silhouette to wear in the summer.
But I'm not gonna cap, the leather quality on these dunks in 2021 sucks. They're terrible. The leather quality is like very stiff. I don't know if it's because like they're mass producing the dunks and they're just cheaping out on the leather, but it's not really comfortable to wear on feet. I don't know if this is gonna be one of those sneakers that you can wear all day because of that leather quality. Normally with dunk lows, we go with a size 8.5 or a 9, but in the case of these dunks or dunks in 2021 in general, we're going true to size because it's so stiff on foot. We can't take any chances.
And I know a lot of people are going to be looking forward to this colorway because they released the off-white version and a lot of people didn't like the rope laces, the extra laces on the sneaker. This is going to be a perfect alternative. And a lot of people missed out on that pair, so this is certainly a dope colorway to grab, and it's very cheap right now. Now when it comes down to styling these dunks, since it has like a very sleek and narrow silhouette, I think flared denim or any type of flared type of pants will really look good on the sneaker. And when it comes to like the colors that will work with the sneaker, you could go with more of like green, olive green, red. It's really gonna stand out and make the sneaker pop on feet.
So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. I know the dunk low trend is gonna continue into 2022 even. So we're certainly excited to add this Michigan Wolverine colorways to the collection. And before we show you guys how the sneakers look on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel grow and it helps us know you guys like these type of videos. So please guys go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
And guys, make sure you go down in the comments and tell us which dunk low you're looking forward to the most, because I know they've dropped a lot of colorways so far. We're very excited for other colorways that are going to be releasing in 2021. And until then guys,
we'll see you guys on our next video.